What are the tax implications for owning a rental cabin in Oklahoma and listing it on platforms such as Airbnb and VRBO? The first thing that you need to know is that any income you earn from renting out your property is taxable. That means that money you receive from Airbnb or VRBO guests must be reported on your tax return. This is usually done on the Schedule E of Form 1040. But here's the good news. You can offset your rental income with applicable expenses. These can be mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance costs, advertising expense, and more. These expenses are also reported on that same Schedule E. But one of the biggest tax benefits of owning rental property is depreciation. This is the non-cash expense that allows you to deduct the cost of the building, not the land, over a 27.5-year period. That reduces taxable income significantly. It gets a bit complex when you use property for personal use in addition to renting it out. If you use that cabin for more than 14 days or more than 10% of the total days you rent it to others at a fair rental price, then it's considered a personal residence and the rules change. Keep in mind that Oklahoma imposes a state sales tax on short-term rentals. For platforms such as Airbnb, this is often collected and remitted by the platform. But with VRBO, you may be responsible for collecting and remitting it yourself. It's also important to note that if you provided substantial services for your guests, like regular cleaning or meals for your rental income, that could be considered employment type income and thus require employment taxes or self-employment taxes. With the complexity of the tax laws, it's always good to get professional advice. A tax professional can help ensure you're claiming all the allowable expenses and not overpaying on your taxes. That's it for today. And remember, owning a rental property can provide a great source of income, but it's important to understand the tax implication. Keep accurate records and seek professional advice. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be with you next time. Please remember, if you or somebody you know is having any type of problem with the IRS or the Oklahoma Tax Commission, give us a call at 214-214-3000 or call us at 833-IRSProb or look us up online at IRSProb.com. That's IRSProb.com.